In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Syncler on your FireStick or Android TV box so you can enjoy a seamless streaming experience with access to movies, TV shows, and live channels. Syncler is a popular media player app that aggregates content from various sources, making it easy to find and stream your favorite shows. Here's how you can get started. First, ensure your FireStick or Android TV box is ready by enabling Apps from Unknown Sources in the Developer Options under Settings. This allows you to sideload apps that aren't available in the official Amazon App Store. Next, go to the home screen of your device, navigate to the search bar, and type Downloader. Install the Downloader app, as it will help you download Syncler directly onto your device. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it and enter the URL of a trusted source hosting the Syncler APK file. Make sure to find a reputable website. After entering the URL, download the Syncler APK file and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, return to your device's home screen and launch Syncler. On the first launch, you'll be prompted to choose a content provider, such as Odeon, Extreme Codes, or another service. Select your preferred provider and enter your login credentials if required. If you don't have an account, you may need to sign up for one through the provider's website. After setting up your content provider, Syncler will organize all available content into categories like movies, TV shows, live channels, and more, making it easy to browse and stream. For the best performance, consider using a VPN to bypass geo restrictions and protect your privacy while streaming. Additionally, keep Syncler updated by downloading the latest version from the same trusted source whenever updates are available. That's it! You now know how to install and use Syncler on your FireStick or Android TV box. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.